We need a code to unlock this.
Any ideas?
Not yet. We may need some help with this one. I'll transmit the letter code to Marge in Morse code. Then she can use her decoder to break the code and send us back the letter combination to open the safe's lock.
Genius!
Dash. That was the correct code, Luther. Now, all we have to do is decode the Morse code Marge sent and enter the correct letters into the lock combination to open the safe.
Yippee!
Send. This is... We sure did, Luther. Are you there, Marge? It's me, Freddi.
I can hear you loud and clear. What's up?
We got into the safe on the Ramond Fitzpatrick, and I can see the precision mission finder compass.
Good work.